Welcome to the second video of the Raspberry Pi workshop series by Electronics, Robotics and Innovation Club of General Sir John Kothawala Defence University. Today we are going to be looking at how to set up the Raspberry Pi device to use with your own laptop's display, keyboard and the touchpad without needing to connect anything externally. So to do this, you will need another software which is named VNC Beaver. Go to Google and search Real VNC Beaver, and you can either download it from the website or the Microsoft Store as well. So this should definitely work, but I'm gonna go ahead and try the Microsoft Store version, and I'll get back to you once I have installed it. When you are at this starting window of the Raspbian OS, go ahead to this icon which is Settings, or the Start button as in Windows, and go to Preferences tab and go drop down and go to Raspberry Pi configuration. There is actually a way to do this with the terminal as well. We will discuss it more on the physical workshop itself. By clicking here, you can go to the terminal as well. So here you can change your host name if you want. So we'll leave it as Raspberry Pi, and also you can change the password. There are some other tabs as well, but what's most important here is the Interfaces tab. Go to that and enable both SSH and VNC. This VNC is what is useful, what should be turned on in order to communicate with the laptop. And then go ahead and press OK. Once you press OK, on the top right here, so I'm gonna go here and press OK. On the top right, an icon will be popped on named VNC. Go ahead, and you should be able to see this green tick right here, which indicates that it is OK, the configuration has been done, and now we can communicate with the laptop. If you are done installing the software, you can just go ahead and open it. So here my window looks like this, but in your case you might be asked to log in with a real VNC account. If you do not have one, go ahead and sign up and then come back here and then log into that account. So in my case, I have already signed in to my account, and then what you have to do is connect the Raspberry Pi and the laptop with the Ethernet port through the Ethernet cable, and then go ahead and type here the username that we gave it, the host name. So our host name was Raspberry Pi, and our password was Eric, and our username was also Eric. So here you have to type the host name, which is the Raspberry Pi, and when you hit enter, okay, it gives me a identity check failure message, but it's okay. I can just if I do it all over again, I'm just gonna go here and Raspberry Pi, type Raspberry Pi and press enter, and then it asks for my username and the password. So here I'll type my username as Eric, that is in capital, and the password is also Eric in simple. Yeah. So for you also, you might have to log in with the same credentials at the workshop, because we will be cloning this very image to all the Raspberry Pi devices that we are going to be giving you at the workshop. So if you want, we can put remember password and press OK, and you can see now here this is where I last left the Raspberry Pi. So this is like another window, right? Windows application which shows what's going on inside the Raspberry Pi. So I can just work as usual in my laptop, and if I go to this window, I can do whatever that is inside Raspberry Pi. So here, for example, here I can get the terminal. Yeah, it also gives you some options to record the computer. So if you want, you can just screen record what's going on inside the Raspberry Pi. If you want to connect it to Wi-Fi, you can go here, press this icon and press turn on Wi-Fi, and then here it will show if there are any Wi-Fi networks nearby. So there are actually few settings to be configured. We just first have to set up the country, and then you'll be able to go ahead and connect it to the internet. So yeah, this is it for today's tutorial. We hope to see you in future sessions of Eric KDU. Thank you.